Hi guys, welcome back again to our new vlog, and this time we are at full swing heading towards Kapil's house. We booked the movie a couple of days back and we are racing towards our destination. I am currently on the bridge of Tin Factory, ITI, heading towards Kapil's house so that we don't get late for the movie. And then as we keep speeding on this bridge, we saw this huge hedge structure on this bridge. It is sometimes called as hedge bridge as well. And we took a quick break and I'm checking out the time. It is 9:17 p.m. And finally we are here. We reached Kapil's house. Still holding my phone recording this, and here we are. You can see his dog guarding his gate. Kapil! I called out for Kapil for a couple of times and I called him over the phone. आ रहा बाहर जल्दी. टाइम होगा 9:30. 9:30 ब्रो, जल्दी आ रहे. हाँ 9:30 रे कपिल.
खाना खाने में नहीं लगता. देखो guys, look at him. He is not letting me eat also.
Yeah.
Pakkar, I told him to come around 7 o'clock. He's coming at 9:30.
Yeah.
Movie is at 9:45. Look at this guy.
Oh, okay. So we got a movie starting at 9:45 and it is 9:30 now. It's about 20 kilometers away.
10 kilometers.
10 kilometers away, and
we will be reaching 10 kilometers in 10 minutes.
We will reach 10 kilometers in 10 minutes. It is a race against time. People ask me how loco I am.
Yeah.
Right?
See?
How loco. I got a new helmet, but I still wear this broken one.
Yeah.
Cause I want to feel the air.
Yeah.
I got many jackets.
And you guys won't believe how much hot it is in Bangalore right now.
Yeah, it is. And I got several jackets with me, which I bought around the country. But I still wear this goddamn jacket.
Yes,
It is 14 years old, bought by my brother.
14, 15 years old.
Yeah.
From Joseph's, I'm seeing the same jacket.
That's how loco I am. And we got our friend Kapil all nice and tidy, looking fresh.
Yeah.
From after finishing his
I'm just having
work.
my
He's having
dinner.
some dinner, some
and we'll just finish it up in 2 minutes and we'll go.
Yeah. So we got a movie starting at
9:45 p.m.
9:45.
And we are still here.
You're still here at 9.
And we'll be leaving in 2-3 minutes.
2-3 minutes. Let's do this, man. We're gonna have fun
And
the
I'm
whole
gonna play
night.
one song for Hussein.
Yeah.
And which is this.
Yeah. Play that. It's not a song, bro.
That's a song, bro. Wait for a second.
Oh, going crazy, man. Oh, harassing a police woman. जल्दी कर रहे.
Okay.
So every minute that goes by is a race against time, man. But I don't want to miss any bit of the movie today. Dhurandhar. We might get some serious copyright issues with this. This is a BMTC bus. It's some very old movie, man. Let's make it fast, bro. Let's make it fast, man. Every minute counts today. It's 9:32. Yes, I did, bro. I had lunch and breakfast together at the time of having dinner. Yeah, bro. That's how loco we are. Right, we have dinner, breakfast, and
For
lunch.
your health, bro. That is
All
why, see,
three.
Look at this.
All three together, man. Right? Here, as bachelors, probably 2025. A few days left for 2025 to end.
No, but not about me. Maybe him and Nagarjun. You guys know about Nagarjun, our other best friend. इसका और उसका हो जाएगा. मेरा डाउट है अभी 2-3 साल डाउट है. इसके जितना उम्र होगा ना तब तक मेरा डाउट है. बट अभी उम्र मत पूछो गाइस.
So yeah, probably this is definitely the last bachelor year of Kapil. So next year wouldn't be the same for Kapil and me, because Kapil is gonna get married in January 2026.
Hey, अरे.
So it is 9:43 and the movie is gonna start at 9:45. 20 kilometers away.
And
Can we make it?
yeah, in 10
Can we make it?
In 10
In
minutes,
10
let's
minutes. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bye, kitties. Kitty cat. Hey, kitty cat. Hey, kitty cat. Hey, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh, kitty, kitty. Some Christmas celebration lights here near Kapil's area. So, yeah. This is TC Palya. TC Palya main road. And we get a church. All the lightings on the road here, right? Because this is the end of the year, Christmas time. Yeah, I look. Oh my God! Oh man, Kapil is a very smart. This is a church. Yeah. And finally, we reached the movie theater. We cleared the security checking at the entrance of the mall. And we were in a hurry. It was already 10 p.m. The movie had to start at 9:45 p.m. and we started to rush towards the entrance of the theater. Hair's a mess, man. My hair's a mess. Finally, we are here. Reached, huh? भेजा ना मुझे.
आधार कार्ड दिखा रहे.
And we reached the entrance of the theater. Kapil is showing his tickets, our tickets, and we did the security check-in. And here we go. We are all ready to enter this movie theater hall screen 2. We enter on time. How did we know that? As soon as we entered, there was this ad still running on the screen. Oh, that's the ad is still running, huh?
कि इससे हमारी जिंदगी पर इतना भविष्य में हमारा क्या होगा, कहने में हमारी जिंदगी
Stand, bro. 10-3, huh? Made it. Just
फिल्म निर्माता और फिल्म से जुड़े सभी व्यक्ति इस फिल्म के पात्रों के किसी भी कार्यों, मुद्दों या विचारों का समर्थन या प्रचार नहीं करते. फिल्म में नाटकीय चित्रण के लिए हिंसात्मक और व्यस्त विषयों से जुड़े दृश्य भी हैं. इनका उद्देश्य किसी भी प्रकार की हिंसा, अवैध गतिविधि या असामाजिक
ड्राइवर भी उड़ रहे हैं.
दे मैं उससे मिलूंगा तुम्हारी
عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي دوس عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب اسمها الصبوحة خطبها نصيب بدياتك كنا بتعطيها
Okay. I stepped for 1 or 2 scenes, but watched completely 3.5 hours movie.
Like that?
Too cool. What a movie, crazy it was.
It is 1:44 a.m. 1:45 a.m. My battery is 7%, and we are still in the mall. Look at the mall. Nobody is here. Just me and a few people around, and couple just looking around, doing some shopping. Look at the Christmas tree here. Oh shit! This looks good. Looks good, bro. Support me, bro. Taking a photo. We have good landscape बना रहे fun. We had a great time. The movie is really nice. Yeah.
Tell something about Santa Claus, no?
This is Santa Claus, Santa Claus came for shopping in
So-
the mall.
How was your experience? Tell something about Dhurandhar.
The movie is really good.
Ah.
New realistic approach, and I like the movie. Never once got bored of it. Right?
Are you a Dexter or Dhurandhar?
I am bored. How was your experience, bro?
I told you already. Yeah. Come and watch the second part in March 2026.
Okay.
3 months to go.
Yeah. Cold, man. It's cold in Bangalore. It is.
It's about to snow
Bone
here.
chilling cold
It's about to
tonight.
snow here.
Yeah. It's 1:45 a.m. and nobody's around. It's just me and Kapil.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, there's nobody around, man. We had a really good night today. We came for a movie, and I'm going back home now. Right?
Yeah.
It's 1:45 a.m. and I didn't get a cap to cover my head. Kapil's got one. He always comes prepared, man. He's the Terminator. Yeah.
Every
Yes. So we're gonna put this video together tonight.
डेविल को जाएंगे क्या? डेविल को?
Devil Darshan.
डी बॉस का?
D-Boss is a very good guy. D-Boss. Yeah. He's a very decent guy. He just falsely framed.
He's in Parapana Hagrara.
Yeah. He's, oh, look at this, man. We just talking.
चाबी दे.
I don't give away keys like that, bro.
Look at this seat.
Holy shit, look at this seat. There's all water droplets on the seat. I don't know how we are going to sit on this. Couple just opening the dicky. This is my brother's vehicle, about 14 years old.
Someone said they didn't bring a cap. And this is it.
Just that's to cover my head. But this is 14 years old. We are done with the movie, almost done with the night. It is 2 past 2 a.m. in the night, 21st December 2025, and we head back again towards Kapil's house. And after we reach there, we would take a break, take some rest, and continue to have fun, have some food, watch something on the television. So we finally reached Kapil's house. We left the movie theater, and in just 14 minutes time we reached Kapil's house. We covered about 20 plus kilometers, I guess. It is 2:15 a.m. and here we are, finally reached Kapil's house. But our night never ends.